Attention all gardeners. Are you overlooking a simple yet powerful solution that can transform your garden and boost your harvest? It's time to uncover the secret weapon that's taking kitchen gardens by storm. The 2-pound miracle flower, unlocking nature's power. There's a vibrant annual flower, Nasturtium, Tropiolum majus, quietly revolutionizing gardening practices. This unassuming beauty is a game changer, offering a natural and cost-effective approach to pest control and increased yields. But here's where it gets controversial. While many gardeners focus on expensive solutions, nasturtiums provide a low-cost, eco-friendly alternative. Growers are embracing this humble flower, and for good reason. The multitalented nasturtium. Nasturtiums are nature's multitasking heroes. They attract pollinators like bees, hoverflies, and bumblebees with their vibrant blooms and sweet nectar. This increased pollinator activity can significantly enhance the fruit set of tomatoes, courgettes, beans, and squash. And this is the part most people miss. Nasturtiums also act as a decoy, luring aphids away from your precious vegetables. Their soft growth provides an irresistible buffet for these sapsuckers, diverting them from your crops. By planting nasturtiums between tomatoes and courgettes, you create a living decoy, protecting your plants while boosting pollination. The benefits: a win-win situation. The twofold effect of nasturtiums reduces the need for interventions. Growers report fewer pest control measures, saving time and money. With nasturtiums, you can enjoy steadier harvests throughout the season, especially in late summer. Practical appeal for all growers. Whether you have a small farm or a home garden, nasturtiums are an ideal companion. They are affordable, quick to germinate, and tolerant of various soil conditions. They thrive in sun or light shade, making them versatile for different garden setups. Planting tips for success. Now is the perfect time to get started. In milder regions, direct sow nasturtiums in sheltered areas for an early spring boost. For the rest of the UK, start seeds indoors and transplant sturdy seedlings once frosts have passed. This week's actions. Collect and dry nasturtium seeds from friends' gardens to save money next spring. Sow 2 to 3 seeds per pot and provide a cool, bright environment. Keep compost slightly moist, and watch your nasturtiums grow rapidly. Mark companion spots for spring planting near tomatoes, courgettes, and beans. In frost-free areas, direct sow nasturtiums where they can trail and thrive. With just £2 for a seed packet, you can expect 20 to 30 plants, and saving seeds ensures future plants are virtually free. Maximizing nasturtiums' impact. Nasturtiums excel as companions in mixed beds. Here's a guide to their ideal positions and spacing. Tomatoes, plant between tomato plants, allowing them to trail to the bed edge. Space nasturtiums 30 to 50 centimeters apart to attract pollinators and act as an aphid decoy. Courgettes, squash, place one nasturtium plant at the corners of mounds. This provides ground cover shade and improves fruit set. French, broad beans, alternate nasturtiums along bin rows, spacing them every 60 to 80 centimeters. This diverts blackfly and makes picking easier. Potatoes, plant nasturtiums along bed edges, 40 centimeters apart. They act as a trap for aphids and reduce weed growth. Caring for nasturtiums, a low-maintenance companion. Nasturtiums are easygoing plants. Water them during dry spells, and they'll reward you with new growth. Pinch back long stems to improve airflow and remove spent blooms to encourage continuous flowering. A thin mulch helps retain moisture and prevents splashback on tomatoes. Potential downsides and solutions. Seedlings may attract slugs and snails. Set beer traps and use barriers on wet nights to protect them. Cabbage white butterflies may lay eggs on nasturtiums. Stay vigilant and pick off caterpillars early to prevent an infestation. Rapid growth can shade small seedlings. Train vines along edges or use a trellis to manage their sprawl. Think of nasturtiums as a controlled solution. By concentrating pests on specific plants, you can easily remove them without harming your crops. Quantifying the benefits: time, money, and yield. Let's look at the numbers. Suppose you grow 8 tomato plants and 6 courgettes, and interplant 10 nasturtiums. With a £2 seed investment and 20 minutes of sowing, you can expect significant returns. Trap cropping can reduce aphid damage on tomatoes by 20%, rescuing 2 extra trusses. These trusses can weigh 1.2 to 1.6 kilograms, valued at £3 and 60 pence to £6 and 40 pence. 2 additional pollinated courgette sets per plant add 12 fruits, weighing 2.4 to 3 kilograms. Extra courgettes contribute for £0.80 to £9 in value. Even with conservative estimates, the £2 seed investment pays off quickly. The benefits extend beyond reduced spray costs and save time, making nasturtiums a wise choice. Exploring nasturtiums' versatility. Edible benefits. Nasturtiums offer more than just pest control. Their leaves and flowers have a mild, peppery flavor. Use the colorful blooms to add a pop of color to salads, or blend the leaves into a quick green sauce. Pick and brine the unripe green seeds to create a unique, homemade condiment. Save your own seed for resilience. Let a few pods ripen fully, then dry and store the seeds. Home-saved seeds adapt to your garden's conditions, ensuring a reliable supply for future seasons. Tweak for your climate. In warmer regions, autumn sowings can overwinter and thrive in spring. In colder areas, stick to indoor sowings now and transplant hardened-off plants after the last frost. For balconies, nasturtiums in containers create a beautiful trailing effect, especially when paired with dwarf tomatoes. Combine with other allies. Surround your plot with calendula to attract more pollinators, and plant a small patch of dill or fennel to feed hoverfly larvae. This layered approach enhances pollination and reduces the need for chemical interventions. Planning for success. Treat nasturtiums as a non-brassica companion and rotate their positions yearly with tomatoes and beans. If you had heavy aphid buildup on a decoy, compost the plant and move the next decoy to a different bed to avoid hotspots. Track your outcomes. Note the number of aphid clusters on nasturtiums versus crop stems, and record fruit counts per plant. By tracking these simple metrics, you can identify where nasturtiums made the biggest impact in your garden, helping you plan for future seasons.